Hi everyone, now I'm gonna show you how to use for loop, while loop, and do to while loop. First, let us know what is a loop. Loop is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. For loop. For loop is a programming language conditional iterative which is used to check for certain conditions and repeatedly execute a block of code as long as those codes are true. While loop loops through a block of code as long as specified condition is true. Do to while loop is a variant of while loop. This loop will execute the code block once. Before checking if the conditions is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the conditions are true. Now let's start. For loop, so we're gonna bound include IOStream or int main. Open and curly braces. Let's say let's put here let's say int x for x is equals to 1, x is equals to less than to 10, and x plus plus. Std cout let's say here the value of x is x and no so here I think it's done, so let's try to execute and compile our work. If it's error, so there's no error, so we can run our code. Run. Here the value of x is 1, the value of x is 2, value of x is 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So next, let's try some for the while loop. For the while loop, let's say here int a is equals to 10, while a is less than to 30. The value of a is a. So this is our while, so let's compile this one. Oops, there's an error. So it has an error, so this is the while loop. Let's try to compile this again and execute, press execute, then compile. Check for errors. Now this has no errors, so let's run this code. So this is the while loop. As we state here that the while loop is 10, then greater than 30, less than 30 I mean. So this is the outcome, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on and so forth. So now let's proceed with the do to while loop. So here, let's say int a is equals to is equals to let's put here 1. Then do curly brace std cout. Let's say here the value of a is a. So let's put here inline. Then the a plus plus. So our while open and close parenthesis a is less than 10.